Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about the conservation strategy of the Bornean clouded leopard in the study area of Gunung Palung National Park in Kalimantan, Indonesia. This species is endemic and listed as endangered under IUCN. It is also the top predator, which is the apex predator, which means they are important in maintaining the balance of ecosystem. So within this national park area, we have the local indigenous groups called the Dayaks. So the Dayaks, they practice shifting agriculture, but due to recent economic pressure, they now resort to illegal logging as well as poaching and wildlife trading. There are three main threats that are faced by the clouded leopard. First, it comes in the form of habitat loss. Second is illegal poaching, wildlife trading. And third is the human-leopard conflict. The current conservation status, these leopards are actually protected by the local Indonesian government, but there is a problem of lack of enforcement as well as the lack of awareness on the importance of clouded leopard among communities. So therefore, I am proposing a 5-year community-based conservation project to be carried out in the national park by the local organization called the Alam Sehat Lestari in collaboration with international organizations such as WWF and Clouded Leopard Project, also with the government of Indonesia. So the aim of this project is to increase the protection status of the clouded leopard, not only through legislation but through community action and government as well. And so here I have a list of strategies that can be divided into 4 main areas. First is to address the socioeconomic needs of the local indigenous group. Second is increasing awareness through education. Third, through government regulation. Fourth is through conservation action with local communities involved. So the main reason why people poach and do illegal logging is because they have a narrow economic base. So introducing these strategies such as introduction of animal husbandry and micro-enterprise, this hopes to widen and diversify their economic base so they now don't have to rely on poaching and illegal logging as a side income. And in terms of information and education, so increasing local awareness could be achieved through educational workshop programs, and incorporating local knowledge into future research can actually give a sense of belonging and involvement of local communities in the project. So this is good. And it's also good for researchers because they are able to incorporate the local knowledge into the research. And for government regulation, the government should introduce or impose heavy fines on illegal logging and poaching. So when people see a cost associated to these activities, this will kind of discourage them to continue these activities. And for biodiversity and conservation action, so reforestation projects and forest rangers and anti-poaching units should be carried out by locals themselves. So this will give them a sense of empowerment and that responsibility is shifted to the locals themselves. So this is actually good. So by introducing these strategies, I hope to achieve a win-win situation in a way that the locals have their economic needs addressed and we also save the clouded leopards. Thank you.